This educational content you are about to watch is brought to you by Aleco Agrovet and Farms Limited, home of agriculture to the world. Follow us now on all our social media platform for more educative contents like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Starting a piggery in Nigeria can be a profitable venture if done correctly. Here's a step-by-step guide by Aleco Agrovet and Farms Limited to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Market research. Understand the demand for pork in your area and identify potential customers, butchers, restaurants, local markets. Feasibility study. Conduct a feasibility study to determine the costs involved and potential profitability. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, funding requirements, and marketing strategy. If you are finding it difficult to come up with a detailed business plan, our professionals at Aleco Agrovet and Farms Limited can guide you on how to create a clearer plan. 2. Legal requirements. Business registration. Register your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) of Nigeria. Obtain necessary permits. Acquire any required permits from local authorities and the Ministry of Agriculture. Land acquisition. Secure a suitable piece of land, preferably in a rural or semi-rural area where land is cheaper and more spacious. 3. Farm setup. Housing. Construct pig pens that provide adequate space, ventilation, and protection from the elements. Pens should be easy to clean and disinfect. Water supply. Ensure a reliable source of clean water for the pigs. Feed supply. Establish a steady supply of pig feed. You can either purchase commercial feed from us at Aleco Agrovet and Farms Limited Plaza or from our branch across Nigeria, or produce your own. Using local ingredients, contact our animal clinic for a guide on how to produce a well-balanced feed for your pigs. 4. Breed selection. Choose the right breed. Select breeds that are well suited to the Nigerian climate and your farming goals. Popular breeds include large white, landrace, and duroc. Stocking. Our professionals often advise prospective farmers to start with a small number of pigs and gradually expand as you gain experience. Consider purchasing pregnant sows to quickly increase your stock. 5. Management practices. Feeding. Provide a balanced diet to ensure the pigs grow healthily. Incorporate grains, protein supplements, vitamins, and minerals. Healthcare. Implement a health management plan. Register your animals at our animal clinic for effective care and management, including vaccinations, regular veterinary checkups, and a disease control program. Breeding. Develop a breeding plan to maintain a steady supply of piglets. Monitor the health and performance of breeding sows and boars. 6. Marketing and sales. Branding. Create a brand for your piggery to differentiate your products from competitors. Sales channels. Establish relationships with potential buyers, such as local markets, supermarkets, restaurants, and butcheries. 7. Financial management. Budgeting. Maintain a detailed budget to manage costs and revenues effectively. Record keeping. Keep accurate records of all farm activities, including feed consumption, growth rates, health records, and sales. Funding. Explore various funding options such as agricultural loans, grants, or partnerships. Additional tips. Networking. Join local farming associations and networks to stay informed about best practices and market trends. Training. Attend our farmers' workshops and training at Aleco Agrovet and Farms Limited on pig farming to improve your skills and knowledge. Sustainability. Implement sustainable farming practices to reduce costs and environmental impact, such as waste management and recycling. By following these steps and continuously learning and adapting, you can successfully establish and run a profitable piggery in Nigeria. Follow us now on all our social media platform for more educative contents like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.